Hello everyone, my name is George. In today's video, we're gonna see how to work with tables in Microsoft Excel for Office 365. Charts are very useful to describe in a very intuitive way the numbers that describe events. Those give us a feeling of the magnitude in the comparison between events or how they have been evolved in the time. Let's suppose we've got a table with the monthly sales uh, by customer and salesperson, and we need to see how these sales have been evolving in the time, or we need to compare those results of salesperson among each other. In this sample, our table has the columns month, customer, salesperson, and total sales. As you can see, it's hard to see how the sales have been evolving in the time, or what is the magnitude of sales of the different salesperson. To answer those questions, Microsoft Excel 375 has a very powerful tool that allows you creating a chart in just a couple of clicks. Firstly, we click in a cell inside a table that contains the data we want to analyze. Then we look for the option Insert, and in that menu we look for the option Recommended Charts, and we click here. Doing this, the application will display a window where Excel has some suggestions. Here we can see, for example, sum of sales by salesperson, or sum of total sales by month. Once you select the type of graph you want, you just have to click on OK, and Excel will draw the graphic you expect to see. As you can see, the new graphics show up in a new sheet. Concluding, we can see that build graphics are very easy with Microsoft Excel 375. Thanks for listening. See you guys.